Hello everyone, if you are new to my channel, this is recipe channel. Today we are going to make delicious amaranth leaves pan fried bread. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup maize flour, 1/4 cup water, pinch of salt and 5 tablespoon oil. And most important ingredient is amaranth leaves, 2 cups. Let's wash it and chop it. Let's make the dough now. Take 1 cup whole maize flour. It's yellow in color. Now add 1/4 cup of water in it. Let's add 2 cup chopped amaranth leaves in it. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt in it. Add tablespoon of oil in it. Mix it all and make the dough now. I have added 1/4 cup water to it, and again we have added little bit more, that is 1/4 cup, so total half cup water we require to make the dough. So we have kneaded the dough and it's ready now. Let's make 4 balls of the dough. So we have made 4 balls of dough. Now let's roll it by just pressing it like this in round shape. We have made it in round shape. just by pressing it like this. See, it's in round shape. Let's switch on the flame and put our pan-fried amaranth leaves bread in fry pan. Let's flip it. Let's spread oil on it, 1 tablespoon oil. You can spread clarified butter or white butter. Let's spread oil the other side too. Now it has cooked. Let's serve it. Let's make the other 3 remaining amaranth leaves bread in similar manner. Let's spread the oil, 1 tablespoon oil on both sides of amaranth leaves bread. We have to spread it. Let's check if it has cooked below. If it has cooked from the other side too, switch off the flame. So our amaranth leaves pan-fried bread is ready. We have served it. Now let's serve it with pickle. Serve this amaranth leaves pan-fried bread with pickle or any other veg you like, or any other chutney or sauce. It's so delicious. Check the description box for its ingredients and you must try my whole maize flour bread recipe too. Its link is in the description box. You can check it out. And subscribe to my channel. Stay positive, you can do it. See you in my next video.